Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to fix if your Wi-Fi icon is not showing in Windows 10. So I got this error when I started using Windows 10, and since I update my Windows 10, my Wi-Fi icon is missing frequently. Sometimes it comes, sometimes it started missing. So how can we fix this kind of error? So guys, I know you must be frustrated by this error, and I was also frustrated, but after lots of research, and even Microsoft website is not being able to solve this error, or they have no idea what the actual cause of this error. So I finally guys find out how can we fix this error. So first of all guys, there are many methods to solve this error, but I'm going to give you a reliable method to fix this error. So guys, first of all, if your Wi-Fi icon is missing from here, then you can go to the device manager. So this is the most favorite method everyone will be telling you. So I know that. So I'm actually I just wanted to go there to tell you something. So let me go there first. So this is the device manager, and you have to go to network adapters. If your adapter is if your driver is missing from here, then guys you need to go to the view, and now you have to click on show hidden devices. Understood? If your Wi-Fi driver is not showing here, you have to click on this show hidden devices. So all the hidden drivers will be shown here. So I was also getting this error, and once my Wi-Fi driver was not showing here, but once I solve the problem, now it is actually been there. So guys, you have to go to view and click on show hidden devices. Now as you can see that there is listed a Wi-Fi driver. Now you have to click on this, and now you need to click on enable devices. So I intentionally disable this to show you that how it actually looks like. So as you can see, this is my Wi-Fi. Now it's again back. So actually guys, since we have started Windows 10, many of the users started complaining about the Wi-Fi connections error, and Wi-Fi icon is actually missing. And I was started getting this error 2 years back, but once it is all automatically solved, but after 1 year I started getting this error, and I even reinstalled Windows 10 2 times. But after updating Windows 10, it because it automatically updates, so after updating it actually the problem will exist again. So Wi-Fi icon will be again missing. So I was just frustrated, so I found out some solutions. So first of all guys, what you need to do, you have to do some command. You have to run command on your system. So what are those commands? Let me show you. So what you need to do, you have to open the CMD on your system. Or just open it, and we have to reset our wireless adapter, which is Wi-Fi adapter. So how can we do that? You have to search command write and net sh WLAN and reset. Let me check. So instead of WLAN, you have to write WinSock. Yeah. So now you have to enter here. When we enter, so it will restart your Wi-Fi adapter. So let me go to the next, and now. So we have to use this command as admin. So let's run it as admin CMD. So I just forgot that. Open. How much time will it take? Now you can run the command. So net sh winsock reset, and as you can see, successfully reset the winsock catalog, and you must restart your computer in order to complete the reset. So now once you run this command, now you can restart your system and see if your Wi-Fi icon is visible or not. So this is the temporary method to solve this error. The permanent method or the permanent fix is that, so when we update our Windows, let me go to the window updates. So actually the problem exists in Windows update, and actually I found the error where it actually exists. So what I did was, let me go to back. Why it is taking a lot of time? So you have to go to window updates. So I was just frustrated, and because Windows automatically update your Windows, and the problem was actually after updating the window existing. So I just frustrated. So you have to go to the view update history and see what are the adapters actually, or what are the drivers updated when your Windows updates. So as you can see, there are lots of drivers are updated when Windows updated. So because Windows update also receive all the driver updates. So as you can see, so there are a lot of drivers. So I was searching for a solution, and I find out that Bluetooth driver can also cause such error. So basically when we update Windows 10, so it actually update our Bluetooth driver from different source. So this is from Qualcomm Athros communication, and it was a different Bluetooth, and which is not compatible with our Wi-Fi driver. So that is actually causing that error for me. So guys, I just wanted to install that, but there is no option to install this Bluetooth driver. So I went to the device manager and go to the Bluetooth, and I just go to the Dell wireless Bluetooth and uninstall the device. So it actually uninstall all the updates of the driver, and will restore the older version of Bluetooth driver. And guys, I just disable this one to solve my error, and once I disabled and once I restart my PC, my Wi-Fi icon comes back, and after that guys, I didn't get any such error like Wi-Fi icon is missing and the Wi-Fi is not being able to connect. So guys, after solving this Bluetooth driver, or after disabled Bluetooth driver, I just solved my error, and just I feel relief, because without Wi-Fi your PC are just useless. And as you know that Wi-Fi is more important than the Bluetooth, and I just the one line that changed and that actually solved my error is that the Wi-Fi Bluetooth driver can cause or can not be compatible with the Wi-Fi driver. So you can do that. You have to uninstall or disable the Wi-Fi driver. So you have to guys actually uninstall the Bluetooth driver. So when we uninstall the Bluetooth driver, it will, when you restart the PC, it will automatically restore the older version. It will restore the older version, and which will be compatible with the our Wi-Fi driver. Because if you try to update your Wi-Fi driver via different sources and different third-party application, it won't solve your error. Understood? So don't go for any Wi-Fi driver updaters. So I actually I have actually tried many Wi-Fi updaters, but nobody actually will be able to solve this error, because after when I turn on the PC, once I used it, and I will start getting the same error. So guys, once I disable and once I uninstall the latest update of Bluetooth driver and disable the Bluetooth driver, as you can see, I already disabled this one, but for making the video I actually enabled it. So it won't cause such error, because it is because the latest version of the Bluetooth driver is actually uninstalled. So that's why it is not causing such error. So as you can see, I just disable. I'm going to disable this, because Wi-Fi is more important than Bluetooth for me especially. And so yeah guys, that's how you can solve this error. I hope you like it, and please try to understand my point. And if you've been able to solve this error, guys, please let me know in the comment section. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.